Pop quiz, understanding the term. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we'll dive into the English phrase, pop quiz, and explore its meaning and usage. Pop quiz might sound fun, but if you've ever been in an English classroom, you'll know it holds a special significance. Let's find out why. Pop, in English, has various meanings, but in this context, it signifies something sudden or unexpected. You might have heard the phrase, pop up, which means something that appears suddenly. Similarly, quiz is a short test or examination. When combined, pop quiz means a short test that is given without prior announcement or warning. It's unexpected. Some might wonder why educators would surprise their students with an unannounced test. Here are a couple of reasons. 1. Check understanding. Teachers use it as a tool to see if students are keeping up with their readings and understandings. 2. Encourage regular study. Knowing that a pop quiz can happen anytime motivates students to study regularly and stay prepared. To help you grasp the term better, let's see it in action. 1. The teacher gave us a pop quiz on the last chapter we read. 2. I wasn't prepared for the pop quiz, so I didn't do very well. 3. The best way to succeed is to always be prepared. You never know when there might be a pop quiz. So, the next time someone mentions a pop quiz in English, remember, it's not about pop music or soda. It's about unexpected tests. We hope this explanation cleared up any confusion. Keep studying and stay prepared. You never know when you might have your next pop quiz. Happy learning!